Hi, Catherine here, and today I'm going to show you how to peel a mango. And I'm not going to just show you one method, I'm going to show you 4 very fast ways to peel a mango. So let's go and get started. Let's go and make some magic with fruit. Hi, Catherine here from Thickies.com, and I help busy people to reach their ideal body weight in the most nutritionally sound way imaginable while avoiding hunger by making and eating fast, healthy, delicious food on the go. After having a baby, I had piled on 5 dress sizes and I was no longer able to follow time-consuming diets as I literally had no spare time or energy. This is what led me to inventing the Green Thickie recipe, which is a complete meal green smoothie that provides all of your nutritional needs. When you drink this for breakfast, and potentially also for lunch, you will satisfy your sweet tooth, reduce cravings and eliminate hunger, while dramatically increasing your energy levels. By drinking Green Thickies, I quickly dropped the weight and had enough energy to enjoy looking after my baby. I've also helped thousands of people turn over a new leaf and reach their ideal weight in the healthiest way possible by making this simple change in their diet. Best of all, it's long lasting. I've been drinking Green Thickies every day for over 7 years now and I feel better than ever. If you want to get started by making your first Green Thickie recipe, you can get my free recipe card at greenthickies.com/basic or click the link below. All of my recipes are made using easy to find ingredients that you can get locally. Now that we've been introduced, let's get to the content. So the first way we're going to peel a mango is we are going to use a peeler. Now this is something that a lot of people don't show you, but this is what I'm going to show you now, is how to peel a mango. So you get your mango and you want to dig your peeler in and make sure it actually gets underneath the flesh, underneath the skin. So you want to dig it right in and peel off all of the skin. Now you might have to dig it in quite hard to get all of the skin off, but the benefit of using a peeler to peel a mango is that there is 0 wastage at all, because sometimes if you use a knife you can end up taking off too much of the flesh and therefore wasting the mango. Also, you make a very nice clean surface for your mango. Now your mango is free to do what you want to. You can just eat it like that, or you can slice it. Here is another way to eat a mango. What you can do is you can either use your fingers, say if you're out and about and you just want to eat the mango and you don't have any way to chop it, then you can use your fingers and you can just dig your nails in and then peel off the skin that way. Or if you're at home and you just want to give it to your kids, say this is a good method to give to your kids, you can slice crosses on the top and then you can peel the skin down halfway, not all the way down, at the top. So you're just ripping it back, and then what you can do is you can give it to your kids. They can hold it from the bottom there and they can bite it along the top, and then when they get a bit further down they can just peel it a bit more down as well, and you can just peel off the entire skin like that if you want to. It's actually quite easy. Once you get a really ripe mango, the skin comes off really easy like that. You don't even need to peel or use a knife at all. You can just simply rip it off with your bare hands. Okay, here is a cool technique that you can use for cutting mangoes. What you do is you cut the cheeks off and we're going to make a little hedgehog. So what you can do is you can slice checkerboards in the mango. So you cut lengthways one way and then horizontally the next way, making sure you don't go through the skin at the bottom. And then when it's all cut, you can just use your thumbs and fingers, press underneath, and you can press it up like this, and you can serve it like that, or you can actually cut off the pieces of mango into a bowl. So all you do is you push your knife along the bottom of the mango and get all the pieces of mango off like that. Couldn't be easier. There we go, all done. Now I'm going to show you a tool that I really like that makes eating a mango very, very fast. So what you do is you get your mango and you simply slice off the cheeks very, very quickly. This should take you seconds, especially once you've had some practice. And if you're in a rush, you don't have much time to waste, then you get your mango tool, which has these little ridges on, and you simply dig it in, and then you pull off the mango like this, and it has sliced all the mango, so you can just place that in a bowl and eat it. It's a very, very quick way to eat a mango. As you can see, it took me seconds. And this tool can also be used for other fruit as well, like avocado. It's really good for avocado. And also papaya, because I like to eat mango and papaya at the same time in a bowl. I think the combination is just beautiful. So I like to use my tool for both of those, and you can get that in my shop at the moment. I've got a special deal, so click the link and see how you can get my mango tool. Please follow me on Instagram at Green Thickies. I share some great information and inspirational posts on there to help you learn more about nutrition and be inspired to take action every day. You can also find Green Thickies on Pinterest and Facebook. And don't forget, all of the full posts, including printable recipes, can be found on the website greenthickies.com. And from here, you can also check out the special offers in the Green Thickies store. Until next time, make it green, make it thick, making healthy habits stick. Lots of leafy love.